May tatlong klase ng tao sa bar, no? Mga sumasayaw, mga malalande, at ang mga taong mahilig sa Disney! Pagdating ko pa lang sa Hosek for Disney Night, doon ko na-realize na this is not a themed party. This was a childhood reunion na may cocktails as baon! Isang bar ng adults na collectively nag-decide, ayoko muna ng responsibilities na gusto ko maging Disney star tonight, no? Ang ganda! People were jamming to High School Musical, Moana, Coco! Lahat ng kanta na pinapakinggan natin nung bata tayo. Pero ngayon, no, may kasamang alak at back pain! Guys, niliteral natin ang we're all in this together. Walang gustong umuwi, no, hanggat hindi napapatunayan na si Sharpay ang biktima. Lahat willing sumigaw, sumayaw, at magmukhang tanga! Let me just say this right now, no? This is not nostalgia. This is group therapy na may entrance fee, no? Ang ganda! Tapos nung akala ko na gets ko na yung theme for the night, biglang lumabas si Anger from Inside Out at nag-perform ng order taker ng parokya ni Edgar. Walt freaking Disney did not expect this crossover. Wala to sa Disney Plus. Wala to sa Disney Multiverse. Nabuo lang to sa isang utak ng isang baklang bading, no, na ang pangalan ay EDSA Extra, no? Ang ganda! And of course, no, sobrang daming Disney princesses. You have Cinderella, no? You have Ariel, you have Belle, and you have Elsa. Tapos for a minute, no, I almost forgot that some of these are just men in freaking wigs. Like, that's a freaking man, Maury! And yes, no, he is the fairest of them all. Hindi lang tong mga lalaking dressed as Disney princesses. These were Disney princesses. Gender is temporary, no? Serving is forever, no? Ang ganda! Honestly, after this night, I really further realized that Hosek is on a different level, baby. Kasi sa lahat ng pwedeng nightlife concepts na pwedeng mabuo, bakit Disney night? May isang bading dyan na one day nag-decide, no, na parang, ano bang kailangan ng mga bading today, no? And he really said, no, High School Musical 3 soundtracks! Tunay nga naman na that the happiest place on earth ay may alak at bading, no? Ang ganda! Like and follow for more.